Hi guys, so today we are diving into the royal kitchens of the Mughals with a truly delicious dish, Mughlai Kesar Murgh, which is also known as Mughlai Saffron Chicken. This dish is a symphony of flavors where tender chicken is marinated in the rich blend of yogurt, saffron, and fragrant spices, creating a creamy and luxurious curry fit for a king. Get ready for a culinary journey into the heart of Mughalai cuisine. This recipe is perfect for special occasions or anytime you want to treat yourself to something truly special. I'll guide you through every step from marinating the chicken to creating this perfect creamy sauce. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Now let's begin. First, take half cup milk, lukewarm. Add half teaspoon saffron. Then give it a nice mix. Let the saffron soak in the milk and release its flavor. Allow it to rest for about half an hour. Then take 1 kg chicken cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half cup yogurt, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for about 1 hour. Then take a mixer jar, add 100 grams cashew nuts, half tablespoon white poppy seeds, half cup water, and blend it to a nice and smooth paste. So the cashew paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter. Add 3 cloves, 2 black cardamom, 4 green cardamom, 1 onion chopped, and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 3 garlic cloves chopped, 1 inch ginger chopped, and fry it for a minute. Then add the cashew paste which was previously made, and then cook it until it gets nice and thick. Cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes on a medium to low flame. As you can see that the paste is nice and thick now. Then add 2 cups water and give it a nice mix. Then allow it to boil. And add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, and then give it a nice mix. And cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let all the masalas nicely cook in the paste. Then add the marinated chicken. Add 1 cup water and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook for about 15 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. And add the saffron milk which was previously made. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 stock cube, half tablespoon garam masala, half cup double cream, and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. And cook it until the curry is nice and thick. And there you have it guys, a truly delicious Mughlai Kesar Murgh. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how your dish turned out. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the royal kitchen of Mughals as much as I enjoyed sharing the recipe with you. This Mughlai Kesar Murgh is a dish that's perfect for celebration and any special occasion. I hope you will try this recipe at home and create your own royal feast. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.